and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a new series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we'll highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the Smoke Pro Total Tech from Redline Detections. It's designed to quickly pinpoint intake, evap, exhaust, and general repair leaks. Next is the Ernst Manufacturing Magnetic Screwdriver Pro, designed to hold up to 26 screwdrivers, keeping tools neat and secure for easy access. Our third tool is the CTA Tools Magnetic Flex Tray, which holds a wide range of components, including bolts, nuts, washers, spark plugs, oil filters, screwdrivers, pliers, ratchets, and more. The next tool is Matco Tools' 8-piece long-reach plier set, which features plastisol dipped handles for reduced hand fatigue and a comfortable slip-resistant grip. Finally, our last tool is Coast Rechargeable HP2R Pin Light, which offers 280 lumens with 3 modes, high, medium, and low. The light features a twist focus, giving it a wide-angle flood beam and a maximum beam distance of over 200 feet. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products added to our website and featured in both our newsletters and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.